Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan, and for those of you who haven't been onto this channel before, welcome. Have a look around. There's plenty of videos and plenty of playlists for you to have a look at, and I hope you enjoy what you see. Today I'm reacting to something someone's requested on Patreon. This is a band I've never heard of before, and I'm always looking to listen to new bands. So this band is called probably got it wrong, let me read it. Saint Asonia. And the song is called Let Me Live My Life. Now, I have no idea what type of music this band is, but I'm interested in exploring new music. So, without further delay, let's go. Play. Ooh. Ah. Whoa.
I am scared of the face in the mirror.
Whoa!
All the cracks in the glass getting clearer. I always overthink, make it so hard. Oh, no one else but myself. Let me live my life. I can go get my knife, or I can pull out the one that just stuck in my bag for my suffering. You've got nothing to gain. My pain is your entertainment.
Woohoo! Yes. Yes, I'm feeling that. Wow. Okay, there's two things. One, this band, well, of what I've heard, reminds me of 3 Days Grace. I think it's 3 Days Grace. Yeah, it's 3 Days Grace. Or 3 Doors Down. It's one of those. His voice is raw and very clear. I like the sound of the music. It's kind of like a swaying sound, if you see what I mean, like with the guitar riffs. And also, I really like the words. Obviously, he's talking about either himself, who he doesn't like, or someone who's literally been abusing him or mistreating him. You know, that's what I get from this, and I'm going to carry on. Play.
I feel the fear in my head, it's so heavy. Holding down both my hands to keep them steady.
Nice.
When I stop shaking, everything's so easy. On myself, no one else. Let me live my life. I can go get my knife, or I can pull out the one that just stuck in my
Wow.
for my suffering. You've got nothing to gain.
Come on.
My pain is your entertainment.
Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Nice.
Let me live my life. I can go get my knife, or I could pull out the one that just stuck in my bag for my suffering. You've got nothing to gain. My pain is your entertainment.
Come on.
Let me live my life. I can go get my knife, or I can pull out the one that just stuck in my bag for my suffering. You've got nothing to gain. My pain is your entertainment.
Ooh.
Let me live my life and pull out the knife. You know the one that just stuck in my bag.
Come on.
The one that just stuck in my bag.
Ah. Oh, you hear that? Whew. Yes. Yes. Oh, I felt that song. That song's great. That's got me pumped up. That's your standard awesome rock and roll song, in my opinion. It definitely reminds me of 3 Days Grace, or yeah, I'm pretty sure it's that band. I probably got it wrong, but hey, it reminds me of them. I really liked that. It's definitely about a guy saying, you know, let me live my life. I don't need your control, or something like that. That's what I got from it. It's just a great heavy rock song. I really enjoyed that. Thank you for requesting that. It means a lot. If you would like to, yeah, it's just great. It just seems great. If you would like to, if you like this video, please press the like button. If you want to subscribe to this video, to this channel, please press the subscribe button. This is your channel as much as it is mine. Those of you who have already subscribed, thank you so much. I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing. It absolutely means a lot. And if you would like to be part of my Patreon page, you can become a member on there. There's no pressure on there. You will have your own requests granted. Any song you want, I will, you know, I'll do. And, you know, other songs which can't make it onto YouTube will be on this channel as well. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, just want to say thank you for requesting this song as well. But yeah, that's it. My name is Dan. You guys are incredibly awesome. Thank you so much. Peace out.